this particular calculus question, and again, the topic is differentiation, we're asked to find the gradient of the graph when x equals 3. So we have the equation of the graph given by y equals 4x cubed plus 2x squared plus 2. So if we first of all write down dy over dx. Now remember, there's two steps here. We times by the power and we subtract 1 from the power. So 4 times 3 is 12. So you can do this with me then as we go along. Subtract 1 off the power squared. 2 times 2 is 4. Subtract 1 off the power, that's just simply 4x. Now, this part's interesting, and this here is actually written as 2 times x to the power 0. So if you're going to times 2 by 0, well, guess what? You're just going to get 0, and then 0 times anything. So x could be any number. This is always going to be 0. So hence, we leave this part out. So the constant, which is 2, that is left out of the expression which we have here, 12x squared plus 4x. So now what we have here then is we have the gradient function. What we've got to do now is work out the gradient. So we have to take this number here, which represents 3, when x equals 3, and we substitute this in. So if we substitute this in to the expression, this is the calculation, which we are in fact doing. So let me just write this out. Okay, so this out, 3 times 3 is 9, 12 times 9 is 108. 4 times 3 is 12, 120. So what we can say then is when x equals 3, the gradient of the graph is 120.